Waiting na sa aking flight mamaya around 4 p.m.
The blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's
So, nandito na ako sa Jensen Airport, Mayora. Ayan, naghintay ako ng flight ko. So, yan na guys. So, hindi ako masyadong marinig nun. Malakas kasi yung boses dito ng sound, music. So, we are waiting na sa aking flight mamaya around 4 p.m. So, see you Manila later. Ayan. So, habang ako naghihintay ng flight ko, guys. So, nadili kami ng 1 hour dyan. So, ang ginawa ko, ayan. Yan, nagmodel-model ako dyan, guys. Nagmodel-model. Kasi naboboard ako. Wala akong kausap. Solo flight ako nagpunta ng Manila, no? So, nagmodel muna ako dyan sa loob ng airport, guys. Walang magawa si Inday Mayoran nyo, guys. After ko magmodel-model, ayun, nakapasok din ako sa loob ng eroplano. So, ayun, nakita yung view dyan.